Students, today we will complete question answers and exercise of lesson number 3, Computer Network, chapter name. Question number 1. Define the term networking. What are the different types of network? Answer is networking is all about sharing data, software and peripherals such as printer, modem, fax machines, etc. There are three types of network. Number one, local area network. Second, metropolitan area network. Third, wide area network. Question number two. What are the advantages and disadvantages of networking? Question heading, students, we will make advantage of networking. First advantage, expensive peripheral devices such as laser printer and scanner can be shared between users. Number 2, all users can access the same files, so this avoids having duplicate information. Number 2, disadvantages of networking. First disadvantage, if WAN is used, sophisticated equipments is needed and the rental of having telecommunication links make it very expensive. Number 2, wiring can be expensive both buy and install. Now question number 3, differentiate between the following networking terminology. Answer, students, the difference between switch and hub are: first heading, switch. A switch is more sophisticated than a hub. It works more efficiently and providing a dedicated line, a network. Second heading, hub. The hub is the central connection point for wiring the network, and all stations on the local area network are linked to each other through the hub. Next, LAN and WAN. Differentiate between LAN and WAN. Heading, LAN and WAN. Heading, LAN. LAN are confined to a small area. Usually this small area is within a single building. About 1.5 kilometer is the maximum length for LAN. WAN, second heading, WAN covers a wide geographical area. Using WAN, computers may be using satellite. Computers may be linked together in different countries using satellites, microwaves, or telecommunication links. Question number 4. Describe 4 common network topologies. The four common network topologies are: first, line or bus topology. Heading, and we will write in this heading, in line or bus topology, the data is sent to all the devices on the network. Second heading, ring topology. In the ring topology, the terminals and other equipments are connected together in a circle. Third heading, star topology. Star topology used from cables and therefore more expensive than other topologies. Fourth heading, hierarchical topology. Hierarchical topology network are those networks where one or more computers are more powerful than the rest. Now question number 5. Students, question number 5. Write the purpose of using a modem. Modem is a device by which computers exchange the information over telephone lines. Question number 6. Explain the various data transmission media. There are many data transmission media. Number 1, cable. Cables are used to connect devices on a network. Full stop. Cables vary both the performance and cost. Number 2, laser beam. A laser beam is used to transmit the data between two different sites. Third, infrared link. Infrared links are used to link machines together inside the same building. Fourth number, radio. The networks are becoming popular. The radio networks are becoming popular in the fields of both business and education institution. Yes, question number 7. Define repeater, router, gateway. First heading, repeater. A repeater is a communication device which connects the two network cables. Repeaters are used to increase the cable length. Second heading, router. A router data from one networks to another using different technologies. It has the address on the network. Gateway. Third heading. A gateway interconnects two different kinds of networks on the internet. Full stop. It converts one protocol format to another. Question answers are completed, students. Now we will complete exercise. First MCQ. First exercise MCQ. Students, first answer of MCQ LAN. Second answer of the MCQ 1.5 kilometer. Third answer of the MCQ geometrical. Fourth, star topology. Fifth, repeater. Sixth, laser beam. And 7, internet protocol. Now fill in the blanks with appropriate words. Second exercise. First, fill in the blanks, hub. Second, switch. Third, repeater. Fourth, fiber optic. Fifth, WAN. Sixth, wiring. And 7, ring topology. Now true false, students, and matching. Firstly we can complete true false, then matching. True false, cable network, first false, second true, third true, fourth true, fifth false, sixth false, 7 true. Now matching. Example of man. We can see fifth number, cable network in a city. Second, WAN. First number, also known as long haul networks. Third, LAN. Last option you can see around 1.5 kilometer is the maximum length for this. Number 4, nodes. D number means first, second, third, fourth number, devices in a network. Fifth number, hierarchical topology. Students, first, second, third, also known as client server networks. And last, cables. Second number you can see used to connect devices on a network. We can write in fair copy, students, question answers and fill in the blanks. Other thing we can complete in book. Students, now your chapter number 3 question answers and all types of exercises are completed.